Yes, okay. The one don, yes, the one don is back from Jamaica. Come and see it. See Kutuka International Airport, the Kia Airport is flooded with fans. Everybody is ready to welcome him. The Shatta the Don. One Don, the only Ghanaian man who met Vybz Kartel in the world, the whole of Africa. Shatta Wale is back to the country. Guys, go on and watch the video.